zile 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 yo alergial mile 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 pe mai.
Hello traders. As I said a while ago, as for my second video, here for my third video, so first thing first, I need to check the US dollar index. Second is the higher time frame from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and so on. So here is the chart of US dollar index future. We can use this to have a bias confirmation and for our trade plan for today. As I have said a while ago, if the opening price is a green candle, it will be favored to the USD dollar. So what will happen to the currency against the USD, against the dollar? Euro will be bearish, GBP will be down, USD, AUD will be red, even the Bitcoin, all the pairs, all the currency against the USD will be red for this day of trading. So let's check for the major pairs. Here is the GBP USD. Check the weekly. So here is the weekly chart. It is in the channel. Price going down. It's not too clear. Check the daily. Yes, here there's a clarification. You see this bearish candle, big candle approaching the resistance. It needs to break the resistance. Let's check the 4 hours. Yeah, it creates a channel here. Price going to downtrend. Let's see if there's any reaction in the 4 hours time frame. This is going to be the resistance here. Resistance turned to be support. So what we will do is to wait for an entry. If there is a confirmation here for the reversal for the short term, we need to check reversal candle because this is a resistance for in 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yes, you see how is the very big help of the support and resistance. Don't forget this, guys. Support and resistance is very important for you to have a better view, good bias, and to have a good trade plan. In order for you, for me, to stay alive in this business, we have to have a trade plan and confirmation before we entry. We have to determine our entry, our exit, our cut loss, and our TP, target price. So as you can see here, and just wait for a confirmation candle. We need to put here the trend line here, as long as it must break this trend line before we gonna entry. So I said before, if you see the price going to approaching support, you need to wait for a confirmation, not you will automatically jump in, dive in, enter without any plan, aggressiveness. Don't be controlled by your emotion, by your fear, by your greed. Otherwise, your account will be born. So here we need to wait for the confirmation here. So like this one, it creates double bottom here. This area, see this double bottom. So we need to wait for the confirmation before we buy. So here is the resistance. This is the possible TP, target price here. So as long as you know the support and resistance, you will be safe and you have a proper trade plan. The way you trade your system, you have to develop a system that suits on you. Whether you are busy, you are full-time trader, scalper, you have to develop a system that gives you a consistency, making a profit. So as we check here at lower time frame, 15 minutes. Yes, we need to wait. As long as this price consolidate here, then if the price break this trend line, that's the time we will make an entry. Let's see what will happen for the next few hours. Here, if you're gonna make a scalp here, you will enter here, and this is your target price here because it's the previous. This is a resistance here for 15 minutes time frame. So if you will check if you're gonna have this long position here, you see how much the target price and your risk reward ratio here. Stop loss. Just risk your 1% of your total capital in trade. Yes, here. If the price broken here, then here is your target price. For scalping, or here, second TP. If you have a 5,000 portfolio, 1% of 5,000 is only 50 bucks, $50. $50, the amount you are willing to lose. You risk this $50. So it's better to find a good trade plan, a good risk reward ratio in order to survive this kind of market. So let's see if this trade plan will materialize. This is only for the scalping. This is 15 minutes. If you want to try, or better, you create a demo account before jump into the real account, because in demo there's no emotion. It's okay to lose 100, 200 bucks, 500 bucks. But in the reality and the live account, it is very painful and it will affect your psychology, your mindset. Every time you lose money, you want to revenge, you want to gain money, you want to bring it back, the money that you lose. So your mindset is already scattered and you are not in a good mood. So what will happen? You will lose all your money because of you don't have a proper mindset and you don't have a good trading plan. and you don't follow, you don't have the discipline in your trading plan. So let's check for the Euro USD. See you in the 1 week. Here's the double tap, the 1 week chart. If you see this kind of pattern double tap, you know the drill. The price will go down. Then you will gonna put here the neckline here. If this line breaks, the price will go further down. Check the daily. Yes, just put here a trend line here. Then as you can see, this trend line must break before you consider there is a reversal in here. Let's check for the 4 hours. Yeah, you see, very obvious. Here is the bearish candle in here, approaching the previous resistance, now returning to support. Once this resistance break out, the price will goes down deeper. So how you gonna trade this Euro USD? Go to the 1 hour to have a better view. Yeah. Here is the resistance. Supposed to be, turns to be a support, but I think it will break out the resistance and the price might go down this light sky blue line area, because this is the second resistance in here. So the price might go down to this blue light, sky blue line, and check to the, you may have a short position here because you see this weak and weak and weak. It tries to break the trend line, but it doesn't happen, it fails. Check to the lower time frame on the 15 minutes if you want to scalp in here. Yep. It tries to price to push up, but it doesn't materialize here. Check this out. Doesn't happen. Then the price goes down further. Let's see if this one materialize. If the price will go there, reach this sky blue line area, because here you can see this is the resistance also in the 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, the price is going down. You may have a short position in here. So let's see and what will happen to this chart of Euro USD. As we all know, the dollar is strong for today. Check this out. The NZD USD. Yep. It's very nice. Yeah. You see the importance of the support and resistance in here. See what happened after the double tap in here. Then the price goes down, then it consolidates in here. And you can see this bearish candle. And check to the daily. Yeah. There is a bearish candle in here. Let's see what will happen. Here, see the reaction of the price approaching to the support area. There is reaction in it. Let's check out to the 4 hours. Yep. We'll wait for the confirmation what will happen in here, because we see put a trend line in here, this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high. It seems that we have a reversal in here because this is the support for the weekly. Check to the 1 hour. Yep, there is a consolidation of the price in here. If you're gonna put the this channel in here, may the price will reverse at this point, but only for the short term, because here is the resistance in here. Yeah, let's see if this will be materialized. If this price will goes up, then after reach the resistance in here, it will reject the price and the price will goes down further. See, it will be like this, here, here, then rejection, price go down, so down, like, let's see what will happen. This is NCD USD. Let's check for another one here. USD CAD. Yep. Okay. The USD dollar index is up, bullish. Oops. Sorry for this. For my next video, I'm gonna share about the Fibonacci. Yep, I think there is a reversal in here. The USD CAD, because the USD is strong today. Here is the support here. It might have the continuation because of this momentum in here. See? Yeah. Because the price, in order to push higher, it need to retrace. After this strong rally, price goes up, retracement, goes up, retracement, then goes up. Again, retracement. As long as this trend line doesn't break out, the continuation of the price will gonna go up. Yeah. So let's see if we have a good entry in here. Yep. You see the price action in here. It is very obvious, guys. If you know the use of the support and resistance in here. Yeah. Here, after it break this resistance level, the price goes up. This is the resistance. Yeah. You see how the price rally. After it break the resistance level here, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, maybe it will go higher. Let's see. I think that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next my video. If you find this video is very helpful to you, please like and share to my channel.
Zile zile, zile zile yo alerg al mile mile, mile mile pe mai